Welcome to HMT 24 Oras, bringing you the latest and more exciting updates on the world of hospitality and tourism. Today, we'll talk about one of the newest hotel innovations, smart check-in technology designed to make guests check-in faster, easier, and more convenient. Now, let's go live to our field reporter, Via Beljoy, for more details.
Thank you, Renisa. I'm here at Sunshine Hotel where they've started using a smart check-in kiosk to make the guest smoother. With me today is the hotel manager, Ms. Junami Tangha. Good morning, Ma'am Junami. Can you tell us how this technology works?
Good morning. Of course, guests can check in using the self-service or kiosk through a mobile app. And they simply scan their ID or confirm their booking and receive their room instantly.
That sounds very convenient. So what are the benefits for guests and employees?
It saves time and reduces waiting lines and let our staff focus more on personalized guest service.
Are there any challenges using this technology?
Yes, some guests must prefer traditional check-in with personal assistance and maintaining a system that requires technical support.
Thank you, Ma'am Junami. Now, let's hear from one of the guests, Jim Libanco.
So I really like the smart check-in. It's simple and fast. I don't have to wait the line, so I can just go straight to my room.
Thank you, Jim. That's a great experience. Back to you, Renisa.
Hi everyone, this is a demo to show how to book a room by Smart Hotel Kiosk. Firstly, click Booking, and then put your ID card for recognition. After that, choose a room you like and enter your phone number for information. And then scan the QR code for payment. Now it's paid successfully. At last, take your room card here.
Thank you, Via. Today we learned that smart check-in technology helps hotels serve guests faster and more efficiently.
It also improves guest satisfaction and makes hotel separations smoother.
But even with advanced technology, personal service remains the heart of hospitality. That's right. Technology helps, but it's the human touch that makes every guest very special.
That's all for today's 24 Oras, Hospitality and Tourism News. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye and stay tuned for more updates from HMT 24 Oras.